ma'am. Ma'am, started.
Okay. Dhaval, can we start with the Omkaram?
Yes, ma'am.
You can on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Sairam. Thank you, Dhaval. Okay. So here we are. And 24 हुए थे अभी अब 23 हो गए. Okay. Have you students have started coming? Manav, please on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you talk to
Yes,
the student? अच्छा वो संदीप का नंबर ज्वाइन
Yes,
हो
ma'am.
गया.
यस मैम, संदीप का नंबर ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा वो मैंने जो नंबर दिया था वो स्कूल का व्हाट्सएप नंबर है. वही लोग उसको जोड़
Yes.
सकते हैं.
यस
ठीक
मैम.
है.
मैम शालू का तो लेकिन मतलब उसे पासवर्ड नहीं पता था, सर को सोमेंद्र सर से बोल दिया तो उन्हें पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है.
मैम और आरव कल आ जाएगा मैम, क्योंकि उसका वो मोबाइल खराब हो गया तो कल आएगा, उसके पापा बोल रहे हैं.
ओके 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 फाइन. Okay. So here I am today. I'm sharing this with you. And be शालू अब आप लेट आए हो जो भी है बट अब आप ध्यान से करना जितना बचा है. ठीक है. एंड
Okay,
सी
ma'am.
एवरीवन स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम आपको स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म 2 घंटे के लिए पहन लेना. ठीक है. जैसे टी शर्ट है ये हाउस टी शर्ट या कोई भी. ओके.
मैम वो आज मेरी स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म धुली थी इसलिए आज मैं नहीं पहन पाई.
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा. Before we
मैम
yes बेटा.
मैम देख मैम हमने क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं करे हुए हैं माई के.
Who am I के नहीं किए. Okay, then we'll do one thing. We'll
No,
do the
ma'am.
question answers of both Who Am I and Wonderful Words together. Okay, because 6th A में मैंने कल पोएम भी कंप्लीट करा दी है, वहां आगे चल रहा है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. So this okay, just everyone will not say okay ma'am. Okay, I'm making Cherry in charge. Only she will inform me if anything is there. Now before we begin this poem, we'll see the explanation of this poem. It's very nice. Good morning. Let's see what's written here. The Wonderful Words. Okay, this is a title of a poem. Okay, name of a poem written by Mary O. Mead. Before reciting the poem, let's play a game so that we will understand the poem in a better way. So I'm taking a word. To play this game, you only need to frame the words. You don't need the materials like indoors or outdoor games. This is a game where we are going to use the language. I have written, suppose, a word. I have written a word like, let's take the Mary, name Mary. We will take the last letter and we will frame a new word with the last letter. So Y. You will start the word with a Y. Anything like yak. And it will go on like K. Kite. E. Egg. G. Gate. E. Elephant. T. Tie. E. Eagle. See how many times E is coming. E. Enroll. L. Lion. N. Nest. T. Tree. E. Again we have got E. Andros. E. Entitle. E. Like that, when we go through the words, what you will find, sometimes you will not get a new word. So many times it happens. What we do, we take 2-3 friends of ourselves, we sit together. We sit together and we take a word. And then what we do, we take the last letter of the word, and we start playing the game. And slowly what happens, we start memorizing the words, we start making, framing the words like that. It is just, so when somebody is saying a word, we at once check the spellings, we go to the last letter and we start making a new word.
Here I would like to interrupt that, see, this is a game which you people can play in the house with your younger sister or brother, or if you have got friends around, है ना? Corona का ध्यान रखते हुए, you can play this game. See what she told. Once you start playing this game, you can always, what happens, आपके दिमाग में new words जाने शुरू हो जाएंगे और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा आपको इंग्लिश के इतने words आ गए हैं. You can play with your parents also. In my house, my children play it as Atlas. What they do, they only names of countries, rivers, mountain ranges.
हम स्कूल में भी खेलते थे.
And we
जो
also
आपके
play
globe
these games.
से वो खेलते
Yes,
हैं.
ma'am.
लगातार कई बार तो आधा घंटा चलता रहता है. हम लोग कई बार, अभी तो चलो we not going to Guna. Previously when you used to come back from Guna, na, we used to play this game. My husband was driving and हम तीनों लोग एक बच्चा बोलता था and हम लोग शुरू हो जाते थे, फिर टाइम भी पास हो जाता था, आधा घंटे में हम घर पहुंच जाते थे और आधा घंटा वो गेम चलता रहता था. See like this ना, what happens, you start thinking, आप फोर्स करोगे अपने ब्रेन को सोचने के लिए कि ए से नाम निकालो, ई से कंट्री का नाम या कॉन्टिनेंट का नाम, ओशंस का नाम, एनीथिंग. तो हियर शी हैज मेड इट इवन मोर सिंपल. आपने देखा ये लेडी को छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स, लास्ट वर्ड जिससे एंड हो रहा है, जैसे अंताक्षरी खेलते हो ना आप लोग, वैसे ये वर्ड्स की अंताक्षरी है ना? तो यू शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई दैट in your free time, and now you have got more time in the house, sometimes you should play this game in the house. It's not necessary you have to sit. You can stand and verbally you can play, and when you write it on a like board or a paper or a book, you can, वो जब लिख के हम करते हैं तो जल्दी याद रहता है दिमाग को. ठीक है? तो you should try, everyone who are interested in learning new words of English. And ध्रुव काबरा, मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था यूनिफॉर्म पहन के बैठना है. आप फिर कैमरा ऑफ कर दोगे अब. बेटा स्कूल की टी शर्ट तो पहन सकते हैं ना, हाउस टी शर्ट. क्यों ध्रुव? कैमरा वो अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही. आज तो बच्चे काफी आए हैं. There are 28. Okay. One second. I just want to see how many. Here there are very less students. Okay. Fine. Now we'll continue this thing. Okay. Mary, Cherry, speak something.
सायरा मैम.
आपकी आवाज फिर गायब हो गई. एक सेकेंड. I have. I have to present again. Okay. Now we'll see that video again. Second. I have to off the camera, then only I can. मेरा एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम चल रही है यहाँ पर आजकल. कल भी बहुत मुश्किल से 2 क्लासेस ली है स्टैंडर्ड की.
मैम 31 हो गए स्टूडेंट्स.
This goes on
Okay, beta.
beautifully. Now, this
मैं
is
लेती हूँ
one thing that
attendance.
we do with a last letter. Now, let's see if I am playing the name of a country. What the words can do. I am playing the name of a country. When I am saying of a country like India. India. The moment I say India, or when we are divided into a group for some projects or something, the moment we say India, so many things comes to our head. It is the culture, the traditions, the festivals, states, languages, children, many things comes to our head. Okay, so let's play a game with the word India, and we will frame new words, and these words will be only the name of the countries. These words will be only the name of the countries. So A, okay, I will write here Australia. A, America. A, Antarctica. A, Alaska.
मैम वीडियो फ्रीज हो रहा है.
मैम हो गई है.
यस मैम वीडियो. यस मैम स्क्रीन फ्रीज हो चुकी है.
मैम वीडियो फ्रीज हो गई.
मैम बार बार आवाज भी जा रही है.
Cherry, what happened? Cherry, am I audible?
यस मैम. यस मैम यू आर ऑडिबल.
Cherry, tell something.
सायरा मैम.
Cherry, now I'm audible, and you also tell something.
यस मैम. Okay, presenting also.
Cherry, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll take the attendance and then I'll come back to the video.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Yes, better. Actually, I was downloading the attendance and there was a problem in the attendance also. Fine. So here we are.
Playing the things, what we find that sometimes, very, very, very funny results comes out, very, very peculiar results comes out, and we are stuck. We stuck, and then we feel bored also, and we don't want to do it again. We say, no, this game we don't want to play. I'm not liking this particular game. I'm not liking it. Let's play something else. Like that, we stop doing the things. And why we stop doing the things? We stop doing the things because we are not liking it. So, what Mary O'Neill is saying. Mary O'Neill is saying in her poem the wonderful words that never let a thought shrivel or die. Mary is saying never let a thought shrivel or die. Let's write down this particular first line of the poem. Never let a thought shrivel or die, for want of a way to say it. For want of a way to say it, for English is a wonderful game and all of you can play it. What the poet is saying, that English is a wonderful game, okay? And using this particular language, all of you can play it. Means in your life, it is not playing games in the ground, in the classroom, in your home and all. It is a game that you can play in your life also. This particular language will teach you how to connect yourself with the rest of the world, because this is a universal language. Many countries, we have our own languages. Still, we prefer to learn English. So the poet is saying, never let a thought shrivel or die for want of a way to say it. For English is a wonderful game for all of you can play. The poet is saying, everybody can play the game. Everyone can play the game. And all that you do is match the words. What you are doing in the classrooms, what you are doing in your projects, what you are doing in your assignments. What are you doing when you are in your lower classes? What are you doing? You are only, let's erase this one. You are only, what are you doing? You are only matching the words. You are only matching the words. So English is much more than this. That is much more than this. To the brightest thoughts in your head, so that they come out clear and true. What the poet is saying? The poet is saying that in your head there are many wonderful, bright, clear thoughts are there. And you need a language, you need some words, you need those things to speak it out to others. Okay? So they come out clear and true. Your word should be very clear. Your idea should be very clear. That should not be only matching the word. It should be more than that. And handsomely groomed and fed for many of the loveliest things that never yet been said. What the poet is saying, see, such a beautiful line it is. The poet is saying, and handsomely groomed and fed. Your words, dresses your thoughts. Your words are the things that makes you handsome. Okay, that is very handsomely groomed. We groom it. We just nourish it. We care. We take care. We are taken care. Sometimes we do not speak. We just think twice. And what we do? We try to make ourselves, in a beautiful way, in a handsome way. The poet is saying, for many of the loveliest things, it is in your head, sitting in your all the beautiful and the loveliest things. And when you use the words, when you use the language, what happens? The things that you are saying, maybe no one has said earlier. No one. And that is why she is saying, for many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. But what we are doing, the thoughts are inside. It is dying inside us. We are frightened to speak. We are thinking so much that our ideas, our words, our emotions, our feelings, everything is, just vanity.
Beta, there is network issues here actually. And I'll do one thing. We'll discuss the question answer. We'll read the poem. This video link, I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
One second. Yes. Mahima, start reading this.
Yes, ma'am. The wonderful words
Mahima, am I audible?
introduction. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
महिमा सुनाई दे रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. आ रही है आवाज.
एक सेकेंड.
Hi, Ram.
कल भी यही हुआ था. चेरी, तुम मोबाइल अपने पास रखो और मुझे ना व्हाट्सएप कर देना कि मैम ने कल ऐसे ही किया था 6th A से. ठीक है? अब जैसे मुझे तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. ठीक है? सो आप या मानव कोई भी मुझे मैसेज कर दो. मैंने मोबाइल पास रखा है तो आई विल चेक. स्ट्रोल करो तो मैं स्ट्रोल कर दूंगी. ठीक है? एंड
Okay,
बाकी आप महिमा आप पढ़ना शुरू करो.
मैम यही मैसेज करना है ना कि आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, मतलब
Yes,
आपको
बेटा.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
यस मैम, मैं स्टार्ट करूँ?
मैम महिमा ने दो से जॉइन करा है। हाँ मैम, उससे एक वॉइस कम कर।
Hera ma'am, can I start reading?
And if she's speaking anything wrong, Mahesh can correct her.
Yes,
Mahesh or Vedansh.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The wonderful birth introduction. This poem is all about the role and importance of language and language skill. The wonderful word summary. Man is a gifted animal who can think and speak. Every man knows at least one language, as it is a must to give experience to throw ideas, expression to throw ideas and feeling. All people think as well as speak. The poet advised the reader to work on their language and learn it skillfully. The poet says that we all know.
Okay, Mahima, now you can stop, and Dhaval, you take over. Dhaval, you can continue from where Mahima has left.
Yes, ma'am. The poet advises the readers to work on their language and learn it skillfully. The poet says that we all know one language at least. We all have a mother tongue, so we can have good command over it. We should not let
we must
any-
have.
You should n-
We should not.
We should.
we should not let any idea go for fade just because we don't find the right words for it. Rather, conscientious effort should be made. Conscious effort should be made to find words to express one's thoughts in this language without any hassles, clearly and flawlessly. The need is to look for the correct and right words to express our ideas clearly. It is wrong to think that there are no more good thoughts left to be expressed. The most beautiful way to give expression to our thoughts or ideas is our words. Everyone loves to hear new and good things. The only thing is that we need to master the language and find the right words. Every thought is like a prisoner or a prisoner or a caged bird in our mind. We can set that idea free with the मैम आगे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Free with the help of words. It is quite possible that the thought may be marvelous. The wonderful words poem explanation. Never let a thought shrivel and die for want of a way to say it. For English is a wonderful.
After this, Dhaval, start reading the poem. On the first paragraph, you will read. Okay? And these new words, hard words also. Plus the explanation. Till this red one, till treasures, you will read. Okay? Dhaval. Then I'll change the style.
Never let a thought shrivel and die for want of a way to say it. For English is a wonderful game. Shrivel. to wither, shrink, wrinkle, and contract. Wonderful, extremely good, marvelous, ins- inspiring, delight, game. It is
Inspiring.
used inspire, inspiring delight. Game. It is used here for enriched language. Here the poet is saying that never let any idea or thought die. In other words, never let it go without giving it expression. Just because you don't know how to speak or how to use the right words. English is a very rich language full of treasures. मैम मेरा हो गया.
Okay, Dhaval has done the first paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The second
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
Manav, you start reading.
Yes, ma'am. And all of you can play it. All that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head so that they come out clear and true and handsomely groomed and fed, for many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. Handsomely, elegant style, attractive manner, groomed and fed, nurtured. Play here means use. The poet says that all
From
of
this
you
red
can.
paragraph, Pravanshika, you start reading
Okay, ma'am.
the explanation of this paragraph. Pravanshika will read.
The poet says that all of you can play it, which means everyone can use it effectively. You can find the perfect words for the thoughts or ideas in your head and give it a clear expression so that people can understand it clearly and nicely. Clear expression so that people can understand it clearly and nicely. Don't think that you can not do it. There are yet many good things, the most beautiful ones, which have not been said and done just because of lack of nutrient, lack of words and knowledge. The poet is laying stress and learning a language correctly and completely. Words are
Okay, next, Janvi. Janvi, start reading this last paragraph of the poem.
Yes, ma'am. Words are the food and dress of thought. They give it its body and swing, and everyone longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful things, but only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. Maybe your mind is holding now a marvelous new surprise, marvelous, amazing. Words give
Ma'am, Janvi left the meeting.
Okay.
Ma'am, Janvi, net
Can we
issue
read
है
till the
Janvi.
red paragraph, the explanation part?
मैम जानवी लेफ्ट हो गई, उसका नेट इशू है.
Okay, Janvi also has got problem, I think, network issues. So I would like to call upon Divya. Is Divya there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read from where Janvi left.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. New thought. They are yet to be expelled and searched. They yet need to come thought. Thoughts and idea are sad,
Caged.
caged, caged in your minds. If anything can yet set them free, that is words.
Done,
Words
Divya?
alone. No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
Alone can give clear and beautiful expression to thoughts and ideas. Words alone can earn them praises.
Praise.
Is praised. So it is a must to learn and perfect your language.
Okay, he's still reading. Fine, Mahesh. Okay, he's done now. Fine. Once again, हाँ बेटा, ये देखो अब what is happening is this thing yesterday also 2 periods I could not 7th A B and 8th standard both I had problem but आज मुझे ज़्यादा problem हो रही है. ठीक है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच महेश एंड मानव, आप दोनों ने मुझे पूरा टाइम बताते रहे ये लोग व्हाट्सएप से कि मैम ये अभी पढ़ रहा है, अभी इसने पढ़ लिया है. दे केप्ट इन्फॉर्मिंग मी. And what I was telling is basically I'll just tell you roughly this poem is about words. And what are words? Words are something that help us to put our thoughts across. Put our thoughts across का मतलब आप जो सोच रहे हो वो सामने वाले को आप कैसे बताओगे, कैसे समझाओगे. आप सिर्फ तभी समझा सकते हो जब आप शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करो. That is English we call it words. Until and unless you don't have the correct words, how will you express 100% to yourself? है ना. तो words इतनी they are such a, that is why the poem's name is wonderful words. They are so wonderful that you can express exactly what you are thinking, what a new idea you're having, anything, only and only if you have the perfect word, be it in Hindi, be it in English. That's a different thing. Language is different. But आप तभी एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हो जब आप वर्ड्स को बाहर निकालते हो अपने अंदर से. अपने जो थॉट्स हैं उनको एक जैसे रूप देके पुट ए ड्रेस टू योर थॉट्स, दैट इज द वर्ड्स. तो वर्ड्स आर बेसिकली ड्रेस ऑफ थॉट. उनके कपड़े हैं थॉट्स के. ठीक है, जो आप दूसरों को दिखाते हो, ओके, और बताते हो, शेयर करते हो. So if you read the explanation again, I'll send this in the class group, and I will not send it today. I'll send it on Friday because you have to find out the answers. Very few questions are there in this poem. Do that also, and the who am I also. Okay, and quickly on Friday we'll complete both, and because I have to begin with supplementary. And yesterday in class 6th A, I gave 3 children the this one duty of they are going to share their screen from next time 6th day. They have decided that they will do the chapter Tansin. Okay, so here also I will nominate 3 children. Those who are ready can WhatsApp me personally ki ma'am I want to do it. Okay, Divya has said ma'am. Okay. Vedansh also. Okay. First I'll do one thing.
मैम can I?
हाँ बेटा, मैं ना 2-3 पहले अभी सारे जो सप्लीमेंट्री चैप्टर्स को हम ऐसे ही करेंगे, आप लोग ही पढ़ाओगे 3-3 के ग्रुप में। तो आप लोग आपस में टीम अप करके बात करके कि तू ये दिखाना, मैं ये दिखाऊंगी, जिसके यहाँ नेटवर्क अच्छा हो वो वीडियो दिखा ले, एंड प्रेफरेबली द वीडियो शुड बी इन इंग्लिश, इजी इंग्लिश, like today what I found out. Okay, and first I would give the chance to Manav has told. So Manav, Vedansh and Divya, इन तीनों की मैं टीम बना रही हूँ। मानव, वेदांश एंड दिव्या। ठीक है, आप लोग आपस में बात कर लो, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी डिस्कस कराओगे। फर्स्ट
मैम आप ही टीम बता दीजिएगा।
फर्स्ट टीम इज मानव, वेदांश, दिव्या। ठीक है, बाकी फिर आप मुझे पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप करना उसके तानसेन के बाद के चैप्टर्स की। ठीक है, सो बाय फॉर नाउ। आज एक्स्ट्रा हो गया बहुत। ठीक है, आई एम सॉरी क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत नेटवर्क इश्यूज चल रहा है आजकल। ठीक है, एनीवे बाय बाय, टेक केयर बेटा।
सायरा मैम।
सायराम अनुवा।
सायरा मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
बाय 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 बाय। टुडे पूर्वांशी भी आई है, थैंक यू, वेरी नाइस टू सी यू। यस, संदीप भी आया हुआ, वेरी गुड, अच्छा लगा, आज बहुत सारे बच्चे आए।
मैम मैं धवल और महेश कर सकते हैं मैम, क्योंकि हम दोनों ने वो बना ली।
बेटा महेश को मैं किसी और के साथ डाल दूंगी, अलग टीम भी होनी चाहिए, कुछ नहीं होता। आपको नहीं करना तो मैं किसी और को डाल देती हूँ, दिव्या और वेदांश के साथ, आप बता दो। हाँ, नहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एंड प्रोबेबली आई विल बी असिस्टिंग यू आल्सो। मैं आप ही तो सीखोगे कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करना है ना। ओके ओके बेटा, बाय, टेक केयर।
बाय मैम। बाय मैम, सायरा मैम, थैंक यू।
सायरा मैम, बाय
मैम, कैन वी लीव?
Yes, you can leave. Already we are late.